We are Kristen and Michael. We bought our house in the Joshua Tree area in July of 2021 and have been DIY renovating it with family and friends ever since. We turned our house into an Airbnb, and now it has over 50 five-star reviews. And we're documenting the process of upgrading the house as we go and showing the realities of managing an Airbnb from afar. Loves it. It is Wednesday, October 12th. The energy has been wild this week. Michael and I have been so exhausted. No reason. Supposedly there's something going on in the ether. We've got some energy tonight and we are plotting out what our living room here in LA is going to look like. We're liking the orange, kind of rust orange and sage greens. Our room is really dark, so we want to bring as much light as possible. So we've got some sconces going on the mantle.
The room is way darker than this picture.
What is our first step?
Our first step is to pick this color and paint the fireplace and do the fireplace.
Really?
Because without it, it looks like that. It looks like that.
Hey, it's not bad now that it's dressed up. Kind of has that old Hollywood feel, which is like kind of what we're going for. An eclectic old Hollywood house.
Yes, I'm a grown man. Yes, I am on Pinterest. I would say this is like a good vibe of what we want. What are they called? Gallery walls.
Gallery wall.
Plants. Mid-century furniture.
That's what we're feeling. Let's make it happen.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. Here's our messy house. I'm just kidding. This is probably in the middle of the vlog. We're gonna go get some paint and a board. Wait, we already have paint, right? We're gonna do Swiss coffee that we already have.
We are going to match this with this.
We're gonna leave this black for right now because we may like this better.
Yeah.
This is white.
And we're gonna move the TV over here. This will all be changed, but the first step is to get this white and remove all of these things. All right, first stop. We're
favorite place.
This one is definitely not as good as the one in Yucca Valley, but we need not seesaws. There's sawhorses because I don't have a workbench. I don't have anything, so we got to get those first. What are they called?
Seesaws.
Seesaws.
Sawhorse.
Oh my God. Sawhorses and clamps.
Yes. But there was a parking lot sale, so we got them all for pretty inexpensive.
Yeah, this was all $30. Gonna turn on the fireplace, are we?
No. So instead of doing a big board, we're gonna do this.
This, which is tempered hardboard. Okay, so I measured it out. Each part of the brick is 8 inches. It's $7.
89 cents. We're getting 2 just in case.
Workbench. Look at that. Okay, so here is my plan. Essentially, we have the brick on the fireplace that we don't like. And since we are renting, we can't paint. We don't want to paint. We don't want to ruin anybody's home. So we're doing a temporary solution to cover the brick with a color and eventually maybe tile or like a vinyl stick pattern. So we got this, I don't even know what you call it, like a particle board type thing. I'm gonna do piece, and then a piece, but it's all 8 inches. So, or this is 24 inches. So I'll just go in 8. I'll get 3 8-inch strips out of this, and then that will be the strips that go in here. I guess another thing I should mention is that we don't plan on using this fireplace. It is an old wood burning fireplace. There's no gas involved. Just hasn't been cleaned in a really long time. That's why it's more of just aesthetic. This is not gonna have anything burned in it.
Since it's a cold, rainy day, I'm gonna make some chili and cornbread. And by make, I mean it's pre-made. This is what Dad's doing.
What? Let's see. We're gonna hold it up just to
Test
see
her
how
out.
it looks.
Craig Tester. It's got wet. Walking in the house.
It doesn't matter.
You don't get this. It's not for you, dude.
Yeah. Nope.
Yes. Yes.
All right.
Just a little off.
See how we did.
Ha! Ta-da! That looks great.
Right?
Yeah. Cool. Great
Okay.
job.
Great. So now we'll secure this in place,
Secure the bag.
and then we'll.
Paint.
Yes. That's a great angle.
Just got back from the hardware store.
Because all of our Velcro is out at the house in Joshua Tree.
So we.
No, this is mine.
It's like, wait, you
This
didn't
is
give
mine.
me anything?
Don't you think?
Mm-hmm. I think that's a good idea. Hello. Hi. Someone wants attention. What'd you just say?
I said it's like you're an ant in our house, or you're like a spider in our house, but you're also just like curious.
You're a fly on the wall.
Yeah, point of view.
Heyo.
We should definitely caulk that first. All right, so here it is. Here is the finished product. There we go. This will have mirror above it,
Plants on it.
plants, and all that fun stuff. But, and then we're gonna
pretty
put
good.
that in front of it.
Well, just for now. I don't know. Maybe
Just for
we'll
now.
keep it here. Who knows?
Yeah,
I need to brush it.
yeah.
Last night we finished the fireplace. Today we've both been working, and now we're finally, it's almost like 10 o'clock at night, and we finally have some time to sit down and start planning out what our king room at the Airbnb is going to look like. You know, we put Pinterest boards together, we put a mood board together to curate what we want, which is a Tulum/desert mixture. And we're budgeting how much we can spend, how much things cost. On the real,
We're budgeting. I found this mirror on Wayfair. It's a large, like 5-foot arched mirror. Going through all of the things, rugs, paint, brushes, lights, everything we would need. Oh, and a CB2 fake cactus.
Oh my gosh. The cactus is just, it's really nice.
We're at $1,200 already for this, like, room makeover. Well, this doesn't include the lights.
What about the curtains from Amazon?
No, I haven't even included the curtains in here yet.
Oh, shoot. Finn, can you not? That
So,
is
like,
so inappropriate.
if you look at, I'm trying to find, I found these in an Airbnb. I took these from, like, a house that I liked in Tulum. So I'm trying to find these exact lights somewhere.
What do you think? That makes me I cringe a little bit at that number.
Oh, I do too. So let's figure out how we can get some of these numbers down. Okay, so here I am doing some, trying to find materials for the house. And I have to turn you guys on to a little secret that I learned, not for this use, but I learned from somebody on TikTok that you could like reverse image search. So what I've been doing is finding things that I like. Like I love these lights that hang down on either side of the bed, but I can't find them anywhere online. So what I did is I took a screenshot, and then you can go into Google and press this button and upload a file, select the image, and then hit upload, and it'll show you all the places online where you can potentially find something just like that image. And here's a bunch of amazing options. There's a little life hack for you that has helped me out when I'm trying to find things when you're like putting your ideas together online for like interior design. Yeah, super helpful. So we are now going through and we are acquiring all the things we need for this renovation. And I just had to point something out. There is this stupid cactus. This. It's the only one that I can find online that looks real, and it's 5 feet tall. It's $420 from CB2. We could buy a real cactus, but those are expensive.
I know.
I don't want it to die. I don't want to waste our money. So figure this would be there forever. Telling you all of this because I think this is going to be the most expensive part of this entire room makeover.
Yeah.
The cactus, the fake cactus.
Yay! Didn't we get a 6x9?
Oh. Do you not like it?
I do.
Oh, okay.
I think it's gonna look great with like a pop of yellow or rust
Yeah.
accent couch situation.
Too small?
It's 100% too small. I tried to talk to you about it. It's both our fault.
Dang it.
The other one was 8x10. We were trying to save money, but
Can we turn it this way? Okay, so a couple things.
it's a skinny one.
We're gonna try and turn it, but also we've come to the conclusion that we need to paint this a different color, and we have a color in mind, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're gonna spin this baby. Okay, this is definitely
Better?
It's definitely better.
Yes, this is a work in progress, okay? Okay, let's say we put a coffee table
Well, let's put a
here. We're gonna have a situation like we do at the 7th grade where we have chairs half off, half on.
So you're telling me we have to return it?
I love you, but yeah, I think we do. Which is,
No, it's a 5x7.
no, it's not. I told you 5x7 was too small. You were like, no. And I was like, yeah. Okay, we're headed to the reclaimed lumber yard.
Yeah, you might remember us tearing out the mirror in the bathroom. And we have an idea on how to make upcycle it. Yeah. We're gonna see how much, like a couple boards of really cool looking lumber could be to frame it with.
The thought process behind it is obviously to save money, but also our initial excitement was over an arch mirror, and that is such a trend, like a fad, that we're worried that it's going to be out and we're going to splash out all this money on an arch mirror and it's not going to matter in a year.
Yeah.
So we are going to do something that will withstand the trends.
And unique, and just that we created ourselves, that is an interesting piece. So
Yeah.
you wouldn't clean these? Like, what do you
do with
Right.
reclaimed wood?
So it is Tuesday evening and we are planning to leave tomorrow to go to the house. We did such last minute planning and ordered things hoping that they would arrive before, like when we need them, before we left.
We ordered them on Sunday night
Yeah.
at 10 o'clock at night.
The cactus is going to be delayed, but luckily we just set it up, but we changed the shipping address to the house, so that's good. And no clue about the paint, about the lime wash. So I got that shipped to the house as well. So fingers crossed it gets there in time. I mean, the paint's the main thing.
Yeah. I think that the lights got there today
Yeah.
because the camera picked up the delivery guy.
Yeah.
So we'll at least be able to change out the lights,
Mm-hmm.
and that's about it. We got lime wash paintbrushes though.
We got a pillow.
We have a pillow that's too pink.
Oh no, we'll do the mirror.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
what we're doing. So we do have a major project.
Yeah.
We're at least gonna do the mirror this
Yeah, the reclaimed wood mirror.
So we may do just a full bedroom episode
Yeah.
after this vlog.
Yeah. So we're hoping that the mirror turns out to look like a $2,000 Anthropologie
Kind of mirror.
Pottery Barn mirror.
Mirror you'd find in Tulum or something.
Yeah, but we did it for, I mean, we'll see, but
Yeah.
we'll do it for like $200 or something like that. Keep your fingers crossed that all this stuff gets delivered in time so we can do it. And I'm only saying this is because we have to be somewhere on Friday night.
So we have to get everything
And we have
done.
guests checking in on Saturday, so, which is a great thing. Just wanted to give you an update on where we are at with things coming in for the project. Yeah. Adventure? You excited to go to Joshua Tree?